kids, let's draw a hand sanitizer today. First, draw the hand. It's really simple. Now draw the sanitizer, just like this. And a pump on top. Connect the square and 4 lines across. Details are important too. Time to color in. We can use a peach for the hand. Blue for the sanitizer. Let's bring our drawing to life. Add arms, legs, and a face too to the hand and the sanitizer. So cute! Color the eyes, feet, and hand with brown. Now add details with beige, a light blue for the rest of the sanitizer, pink too, for their face, arms, and legs. Ta-da! Wow! A sanitizer helps keep the naughty germs away. Yay! We drew a hand sanitizer. Hi kids! Let's make a bedroom today. We will begin with making a big rectangle and another smaller one inside for the bed. Make another rectangle with a blanket on it. Our bed does need legs, doesn't it? We will make 2 pillows for the bed and drawers next to it. You have to draw 2 small rectangles sticking next to the bed and 2 smaller ones for the handle. Let's make a lamp and a vase on top. On the other drawer, let's make a lamp and a coffee mug. We need a picture on top of the bed, don't we? Let's get to it. Our bedroom is ready. Now let's paint it. Paint the mountains. Leaves. And pillows green. Are you having fun? Color the sides of the drawer pink. Yellow for the lamp inside the drawer. A blanket. Hey! And the sun. Let's use red to paint the back of our bed. And purple for the rectangle below and the border for our picture. Paint the handles of the drawers and the handle of the lamp blue. We're almost there. Let's use a teal for our coffee mug and the vase. Let's paint the sky and bottom of our bed sky blue. And we're done. That was fun, wasn't it? Hello kids! For the lipstick, draw 3 rectangles just like this. Let's paint with red first. Sky blue now. And a dark grey. Here we have a pretty lipstick. A big triangle, 3 squares within, and 5 small circles. We're drawing an eyeshadow palette. Let's paint with green. The first circle with red. Purple is next. Magenta, sky blue, and pink. Let's paint the square with gold, pink, and blue. This looks great. Lovely eyeshadow. Yay! Let's draw a brush, just like this. Paint it with red, grey, and a pretty golden color. Done! A brush! We're gonna draw some nail polish. A square, a rectangle on top, paint with green, some magenta, and golden too. Here is our nail polish. We're going to need some blush too. First draw a rectangle, now 2 squares within. Draw a rectangle again for the mirror and now paint. Blue, aqua blue, golden, and magenta, sea green, and pink blush shades. Here is our pretty blush. Our makeup kit is all done. Hope you had fun. Hello kids, let's learn how to draw a castle today. Start with the entrance of the castle. We'll add a wall to the right and left too. Great job! Now let's add a tower. With a little heart on top. For the main tower, let's make it bigger and add a window too. Let's draw a smaller tower once again. And done! Let's paint with pretty glitter colors. A sea green color first. And some sea green. And golden again. Just like that. A lovely gold for a grand center wall. And red for the gate. Orange for the heart. Then purple. Gold. Green. A dark pink. A light pink too. And some sea green color. And gold again. Now on the next one, blue first. And once again, purple, gold, green, a dark pink. Use blue and light pink too. Let's use a dark pink for the rest of the tower. We're almost done, kids. Let's repeat the same colors once again. And our tower is done. Let's not forget the window. Use blue and gold. Wow! We did such a wonderful job. Here is our magical castle. Hey kids! Let's draw a cute little calf in the bathroom. Let's start by drawing our calf's face. And a cute little smile. The spots too. Looks great. Let's draw his arm holding a bottle. And a bathtub for our cute friend. He'll need a brush for his bath to scrub himself nice and clean. And a cute little duck too. Isn't it super cute? Almost done. Let's draw the soap bottles. And his bubble bath bottle. Let's add some details. And now we color in. Let's use yellow for the face. And the duck. The bottles too. Red color for the tongue, the horns, and the brush. Let's use red for the tiny details too. Add some blue now. For the spots, we should use black. Don't you think so? We're almost done, kids. Some grey for the bathtub. And blue for the mat. Hey, look! Our bathroom is ready! Hope you had fun!